What are we doing here? Oh, we got a police helicopter. Oh yeah, that'll be a fun one. Let's go, baby! Yeah! What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here on the R6. Man, we're going to a meet, NoNameRiderz out in North Hollywood. So we're going to be going there. We're going to do a little ride there, and then we're going to meet up with the boys. It looks like we have a pretty good route. We're doing auto link now. All these boys are on auto link. So they just like post the whole ride. We get to see the ride right before, and then the meetup spot obviously has been posted, but the whole ride's on auto link. So we're gonna be on the 405. We're gonna first go up to like this little mountain lookout, and then we're gonna be ripping on the 405 on the way back. So that'll be fun, boys. Stay tuned. We got a ZX10, we got a CVR, we got R1s. What else? I believe there's an RSV4 with us as well. This is, I've only gone a couple times, so still getting to know everybody, but yeah, I'll pick you boys back up once we are pulling up to the spot and meeting up with the boys. Let's go, boys. We're at the ride. We got all the boys here. CBR, ZX4R, Aprilia, APRC, got a ZX10, we got a row on a ZX10, another ZX10 over there pulling up, Choppa, got a V4 back there too, not the new one, but the older V4. Hell yeah, Brody. Bro, that's the loudest CBR I've ever heard in my life. Ain't even gonna lie. Let's go, boy. Got the backpack on. That's a fat tire, bro. Alright, we gotta get to the front. We got K on the Daytona. Got that V4 back there, bro. What's going on here, boy? What are we doing here? Oh, we got a police helicopter. Oh yeah, that'll be a fun one. Let's go, baby! Yeah! Woo! There's a lot going on right now. A lot of traffic. We got a whole pack. Look at that back there. Bro, this whole plastic is hitting the ground right now. Bro, I don't know what this guy's doing. that's like a lowrider R6, dog. Oh, we had a V4, baby. V4 power. Yeah, baby. This is hectic, bro. Chasing that, bro. Damn, bro, my feet are so hot right now. Shit. Alright, boys, we're at the spot. We're back, boys. We're up here at Porter Ranch. We gotta get going again, though. Let's go. In business, boys. Oh, it feels good, man. I was sweating like a mother flipper. Got the RSV4 right there, bro. Oh yeah, that thing sounds nice. Bro, this guy, absolute goon. Love it. He built his own bike. Got a huge group, bro. Run up. Fucking squaring up, bro. Hell yeah. There's maniacs out here, man. You got roll on the ZX-10, baby. Line that up. Oh yeah, they're going. Look at this, bro. The whole traffic. That was a close one. Oh, I'm getting hit with rocks right now, bro. Twisties. Ooh, it's wet. Made it, boys. And we're back at it, boys. Good hand signals, boys. Papa. Got a little wheelie in there, boys. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're just skipping the traffic. God damn, bro. That RSV4 is so loud, I can't hear shit. Let's go, boys. Oh, I'm getting peppered with rocks. Ow! He's peppering me with rocks. Listen to these bikes, baby! Oh my god, I'm getting smacked with rocks right now. Holy shit. I think he almost just hit the fucking camera car, dude. Holy shit. That was close. Alright, boys. We're about to lose battery, but the crew is about to roll out. We about to roll out, man. How's the chopper holding up?
Okay.
Fuck yeah. I'm ready to roll, bro. Yeah, she is. We about to bounce, but if you didn't already, subscribe. Hit the post notification button. Subscribe to the channel. Use discount code TWC20 Vital Apparel and Roads Gears. Run it up, boys. I'll see you in the next one.